Nice day.
Okay.
Here's your money back.
Thank
Is
you.
that your drawer? Okay. Okay. Here's your money back. Now.
What do you say now?
Say thank you and come back.
I forgot to pay for it. Mommy paid it. Chocolate.
Okay.
I believe I'm going to have to go get another one.
Well, let's see.
How much is it?
Music appreciation.
I won't do it right now.
How much is it?
How much is it?
And
7, 4, 1, 2, 5.
Okay. Alright.
So, okay, you can have it now. Now let me get my debit card out, do it, and then I'll just give you $1 and then you can get it back to me in just a minute, about a minute or two.
Okay.
Let me see how much it says for me to get $16,000.
Lord, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be rich.
Yes, you are.
No, it's not that. He doesn't know I'm applying for the scholarship.
I don't.
Oh.
I don't know. We just
He's
Like
planning on
really
expanding the mail. He expects me to be
silly.
there.
Well, we're not supposed to give you a 10 or a 5.
5.
Okay.
No.
Let me just get your money out. Get your cash
What's
out.
the
Let me get
temperature
all your-
outside?
71 or 2.
Lord, it's hotter than that in here. I bet it's 80 in here.
No, ma'am. No, I want to.
I don't
Get my cash out.
understand that drawer.
Okay, now you get a 5 and 0 and a 10 and a 5. Okay, let me see how much. Let me put that on my anywhere.
That's 50 cents and 10 cents.
Yeah,
That makes 60 cents.
yeah, just have to debit your card.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. That
It's
water,
charged.
That water won't pay. Right there. This
Okay.
water won't pay.
It's fine.
Because I think they got the wrong water on it.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Mama, I wasn't
Let me
just
call
by
him
the store.
on my
I
telephone.
gave him my application for that scholarship.
That's the only thing I got drinking. Of course, this.
I know.
This water ain't really good.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Tell me I have to pick it up and bring you some more.
yeah, let me tell them.
Say exchange on the front.
The people auditioning for this
Yeah,
year.
but they ain't no change on the front.
Say exchange. It means exchange the water. Tell them.
I know they need to give me some more
Tell them.
water.
Say exchange on the front.
I know because I got it mixed up because the other they got the one that was open. That's the
Hey,
one
she
that
knows
was open.
what's going
We
on.
forgot to pick it up and then just take it in there and just send a new one out. So I've been tell them because it spewed, it spewed back there once and then
I don't want no water if
somebody
it
opened it
spews.
and then
I'd be nasty.
it got
Bad water.
opened
Yeah.
and then it got bad
I
water.
don't want bad water.
This water is bad.
See,
I told him. So, okay. I don't believe you can have this back, but why don't you go back and find you another one?
Okay, I will.
And there's your $5.
Okay.
Let me give you your change. I always keep my change up there.
That's okay.
Let me get my pennies out. Let's see how
That's
many.
50 cents.
Yeah, I just have to get my card out. You want the one with the worm or the other one?
It don't matter.
Okay, well, just a minute. Let me get my key out. It all jumped up back here.
Okay.
I got all kinds of pennies.
25 cents.
Yeah, I got all kinds of quarters and stuff.
Dime, that is a dime.
All the big ones.
Okay. And that's quarter.
I'll give you all my dollars.
Okay.
I filled in an application for the scholarship audition. Remember?
Nice.
Okay. Okay, there's you another 5.
Yeah, it's $5.
Okay.
What's the others?
That key is not really rich.
What's the other money?
That's just the kind.
$10.
Yeah, there's just.
$20. $20. Okay.
Okay, so let me have that water back, and I'll give you all quarters.
All right, put this
Let
back
me
in
tell
there.
them I need another water, and you get to keep the 20s back. And one of them, baby money. Okay. Oh, some people bring, they don't really open sometimes.
Okay.
Because one of them come here once, and they thought that was open. They didn't know it was open. And like you didn't know it was open, but it was. They always get open sometimes. They always get open like that. And we can't fix them until about Saturday, and then we just get new ones in.
Okay.
They take about 15 days to get them fixed.
Okay.
And we have to do all of them to get all of them
Okay.
fixed.
All right.
We hardly don't even hardly do many, but we just have to get them fixed by Saturday.
Okay. Here you go. I'll put this in here
Yeah,
so you don't lose it. Okay.
you get $1 back.
Okay. Just put him in the drawer.
Okay.
And don't bend him.
I've got so many of them in here, and I'll just,
Now let's put your debit cards.
yeah. Let me see how much you had, and then I'll have to see how much, nah. You're gonna be rich now.
Okay. Put the other in.
I believe we can vote today.
Put your other in.
Because if it, when we get home, it'll probably be done. Whoa.
Okay.
1,669,169,100.
Put your quarters
Dollars. That's how much
Put your
I'm giving
quarters.
you. That's how many I'm giving you,
Okay.
not how many you're giving
in. You're
me.
rich, I'll tell you.
Yeah, I'm rich. I just keep paying me every day.
Okay.
Because they don't fire me every day.
Well,
I'm
Put your
not late
money
to
in.
work every day.
you ain't,
No, I'm not late every day.
no.
Yeah, I'm not
You know how
late
to
every
find
day.
my YouTube?
Sometimes I am, sometimes time. Just,
Okay.
I saw this.
You don't know how to find my YouTube.
Yes.
I just do a search for JUSDEV69X,
Let me
and
let me pay that for
and
you.
it should come up with all my videos.
Okay.
Let me
I've
put
got
this on
this. I'll
scale
post
and
this
we'll
one
find
on there. It'll be the Easter egg videos where she's Easter egg hunting. Her T-ball videos is on there.
Okay.
Let me have all of them.
We'll just take the whole base.
I'm just going to get them all out.
And in fact, you can go to my website, justinthevault.com, go all the way down to the bottom, click on what you see, just Ava. Click on that and you'll take you to the,
Look at it.
it won't take you to YouTube, it'll take you to a page where I pasted some of our Lazy Town videos, but they came along now and said that they were
That one I know. That's our new
copyrighted. So
one.
but then I've got some videos of her T-ball game and everything on there.
Okay.
Let's open ketchup.
Okay,
There's
Purple bird.
green.
All right, here, your mom's ready.
Let me put this.
Here.